YouTube? It's your girl Ray, and I'm back in the singing, ready to shoot another video. Y'all know I done disappeared and all that good stuff, and I'm sorry. Oh, also Happy New Year's, because yeah, y'all haven't seen me since last year technically. And yeah, I got my braids back. I just left class early and I just barely got home, so yeah. So I'm about to go upstairs and do my makeup basically for this video, but not really. I'm gonna just do like a little light something, because the event that we're going to, I can't wear my glasses because it will damage the screen or something, I guess. So yeah, I can't wear my glasses. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all more when I get upstairs. But yeah, I just wanted to start this video off here. Today is my brother Bobby's birthday. Happy birthday to you. And yeah, let me talk about that. I'm gonna talk about that a little later, okay? Y'all, we made it here. Look at my beautiful sister, Nunu. Girl.
I was stretching.
Say hi.
Hi.
Do we look alike, y'all?
No.
What you mean by that? Don't make me get ghetto. And this is Bobby. Happy birthday, Bobby. How old is you turning?
12.
He's turning 12, you guys. Anything you want to say to the vlog?
No.
Are you excited to go in go-kart racing? How are you feeling today as a 12-year-old?
Good.
Good? That's it? You being so dry to the camera.
Feeling good.
On a scale 1 through 10, how excited are you?
10.
10? Who you think gonna win?
Me.
I think I'm gonna win. Cause 1, you don't know how to drive. 2, I'm the fastest driver out here in these streets. You hear me? This is the race car. Then put it on. Oh my God.
Space Cadet.
Woo!
What was this?
Oh, he got his eyes hit.
You lucky you got the edges, cause girl. Y'all, I'm looking bald. I didn't really do my makeup, and I know I told y'all I was gonna come back talk to y'all, but it's been hectic. It's been hectic. I had to rush and do all this bunch of rush and do all this other stuff. I look crazy. No eyelashes. I'm gonna get my eyelashes done soon. I know I just look bald. My face just look bald. My face just look bald. Because I don't got no eyelashes. Like my actual eyelashes are short.
I get what you mean. That is crazy.
I don't have nothing on my eyes. They look naked, bald. I don't have no makeup on. So yeah.
It's gonna be these two guys right here. You're the.
Y'all look at this.
Yeah.
Wow. Bobby!
Did I crash into our building so burgers? Y'all kept going.
Y'all got dust in my
Drive like a
car.
granny. So I should have won this round. I'm not even gonna lie. I should have won because
I did a lot.
I was getting scared right here at this point, in this turning point. I was getting scared. I was breaking.
I
boys.
love these corners.
I was
hitting them
breaking.
boys. I'm like,
I was like, oh, not today, sir. Not today. Oh, look, they're coming out. Y'all get to see it. And I was behind the like slowest person ever, and I could not get over them. Like, because they kept hogging. I don't know. It was a little girl, so I wasn't trying to do too much. I wasn't trying to bump into her like my mom was bumping into me. That's what that was. What place you get, Bobby?
First. I got first place.
Because of what? Because you cheated?
No. I was like 4th or 5th row, and I passed my mom, I passed my mom twice, Nunu twice, and Raydon twice.
No, you didn't.
No, but when?
No, you didn't. You didn't pass nobody nothing.
My name's Coach Hopkins. I'll show them all what you've been up to. I got my money on her. Don't prove me wrong now. There we go. There we go. Hit that. Come on, sink them shots now. You got this. You got this. Calm yourself. There we go. You aiming right now. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna need you to put in that special training we did last time we was on the court. You got this. I believe in you. It's okay. Just cool your shots down. You're still a winner in my book.
Hey, cute. It was bouncing down. Redo it. Yep.
I'm dead.
Huh? We about to start this virtual reality game.
If I could have you guys just scoot down a little bit so that everyone's able to film the blue line right here. I'm gonna play a quick video. My name's
Okay, state your name and
Bobby,
your age.
Bobby, and I'm 12.
And how did you enjoy your birthday?
Good.
What's your favorite part?
The race cars.
The race car, what place did you go?
First.
First place?
Uh-huh.
How? Because you cheated?
No.
How then?
Huh?
How?
Because Nunu was in first. Straight facts. Because Thomas, straight facts. Nunu was in first place, and I ran into her. Then Then I got first place.
No, but
Then she hit this, she hit the wall.
But he did it right in front of the person too.
He don't get paid enough.
Right
He's
in
like-
front of them.
Like when he waited to fly for her, I was
No,
like,
because-
look,
no,
I'm trying to
because
get past.
Because she kept hitting the brakes on her turn. She
No,
kept
I did
hitting the
not.
brakes hard. And I had to brake.
So you got brake check?
No, I didn't do that. I stayed on the
Oh
gas.
yeah, that drift. Hit that nice turn and speed right up. I was like,
I stayed on the gas.
I was like that.
I was like, everybody else Sunday driving.
That turn by the window, I was.
I speed up with the old guy recording. I was like, yeah, this
Yeah, I
what you
did it
want.
like this.
I was trying to be mindful not to hit you too, because I was saying how you was gonna make your turn. So I was like,
I did
She was driving like granny. I'm like, go.
you was looking back. I was like, I can't hear anything.
Mama, what did you tell me when I passed you?
You didn't pass.
Well, I did.
What place did you
How you
get
pass
for
her,
the
and I
the
passed
zombie
them,
game?
and I
I
see
think
you at
fifth.
all.
Yeah, I got fifth, right?
Let's see.
I got fifth.
What place you get?
Last.
About my plate.
You got last place in it?
So you get it for the record.
Yep, fifth, and then you got last. And I'm always getting second and last.
Shit, I got third.
I was in first place.
I was in that screaming. Me
I was wondering who was screaming. The first round, I was looking at you. I was like, that's not her. But I was like, I couldn't make anything out.
I kept doing that. Like, this is gonna do something.
I was finna.
That's my gun.
Luckily, it was attached. They smart for attaching it because a person like me would have threw it. I had to catch myself.
But it wouldn't do nothing.
And I turn around and I'm like, I kept thinking like
I ain't
this.
gonna lie, you screaming out helped me not think about anything to do with like this isn't real. Like we were going up higher, I was like, alright. Alright.
I'm like, I was trying to